Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, you can smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video I'll be walking you through how to use Kalodata in Brazil. So basically this is the official Kalodata website, and you can see I'm currently on English language, different language right here. Just in case you are not seeing Kalodata in your own language, you can just click on the language right here, and then you'll be able to see different language, which of course you can actually select from. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight down to the business. And also, if you want to sign up on Kalodata to enjoy up to 10%, you can use the link in the description to sign up on Kalodata and enjoy up to 10% on your purchase on Kalodata, whether you are purchasing the basic plan, the professional plan, or the business plan. You're gonna enjoy up to 10% or even more depending on the plan you're actually going for. So then the next thing we're gonna do is to click on the pricing. So let's check how much you're gonna be paying if you want to subscribe to Kalodata in Brazil. Alright, so this is the official United States data. So I'm gonna switch to Brazil so we can see what how much we're gonna be paying. So this is the plan and this is the price for the Kalodata in Brazil. So if you switch to the monthly plan, this is $46, and for the professional plan is $90, and for the custom price, for the enterprise, you have to pay contact the support center. And if you want to go for the yearly plan, even for the fact that you're still getting 20% right here, you're still gonna get extra 10% of your purchase. So if you are going for the yearly, you're gonna be paying $38.03, and then if you're going for the professional, $75, and if you're going for the enterprise, you have to contact the support. And these are the features on each of these plans, so you can select which one you actually want to go for. And then there are also custom offer down here, which of course you can also explore and then check which one you actually want to include in your purchase. And there are some frequently asked questions, which of course you can also check it out which one actually answer the question you have in mind, if any. And if none actually answer your question, you can drop the question in the comment section and I will take my time to reply to your request. And the next one is I'm going to show you to is the current plan, which of course I'm running a professional plan right here, so you can see. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on the explore page right here. That's after you subscribe. So once you click on the explore, you're going to be seeing the page just like this. Kalodata is getting expanded and they are also upgrading their plan and features as well. If you watch my last video, you will see that Kalodata of that one is actually different. This interface is actually different from that one that I uploaded. So they are working on the platform just to make it much more better, right? So you can see the trending product, you can see the competitors list, you can see affiliate creators, you can see hot lives, you can see hot videos, and you can see brand strategy. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see hot selling ranking product in Brazil right now. So these are the products that are actually trending, which of course you can jump into. As you can see right here, these are the top products you can jump into and start making money as fast as possible. And scrolling down, you also have the blog post from Kalodata platform. You can see right here. You can also see these are some other videos, which of course or blog posts you can also look into. And if you click on the more ranking, you're gonna see more ranking products. You're gonna see shops, you're gonna see creators. So for the creators, you're gonna see top products that are actually selling in their on their profile. So you can see all these products right here. You can see all this product. So all this data we are seeing right here are data from the Brazil country or region, let me say. You can see all this bag. You can see whether you're a female or a male. I'm very sure you definitely know what kind of product that actually tailor to what you have been doing or tailor to what you actually want to do, and then you can just jump into it. You can see different products right here. You can see this one right here, you can see this one, and these are the top shops. And you can also see some products that are actually trending. If you see check these shops, you can see all these products right here. You can see this is the product, one of the products that are actually trending. This okay, this one is not there. You can also see these ones, you can see this one. So different products from different creators and different shops. So scrolling down, you also see all these top live stream, top video ads. So all these one are ads, right? So creators are promoting this video in order to make sales, right? So you can see this product they are promoting, you can see this product, you can see this product, you can see this product right here, you can see this one as well. So let me over to the video, drag my mouse to the video so you can see how they are trying to promote this product.
É só comer?
É só comer. Vamos ver o que vai dar. E agora são 10h51 da noite.
Can you see that?
É só na outra.
Can you see the product, like she's holding the product, right? So that is how they are trying to that's how they are trying to promote the product. So now let's say you want to replicate this video. There's no pause option right here, so you can download with no watermark. So once you download the video, then you'll be able to use the same video for your own content. You can also extract the script. You can see this is a transcribe. You can also extract the script. You can see script optimizer. You can also see export script. So if you scroll down, you see another video right here, which is 1 minute 55 seconds. So this one is trying to promote this product.
Hoje a gente vai descobrir se eu deixei de ser trouxa ou se eu caí num golpe. Fui realizar um sonho meu hoje, ter uma escolha.
So you can see that one as well. So same thing goes to all this one right here. So that's how you can find hot products to promote on your shops or on your TikTok shops. You can see top shops that you can also look into. You can see top creators you can also look into. You can see top products that are actually selling, which of course you can also look into those products and see if those are the products you will also like to promote in your own TikTok shops. You can also see the affiliate commission rates. So you can see this product right here, you're gonna be getting 17% if you promote that product. On this one right here is 10%, and there are some other products like that which of course you can also promote. So just explore this platform and explore different products, try them out, and then you're gonna see which one is going to actually work for you, rather than you just trying out different things without having understanding how it works, and then you'll be wasting your money to purchase product. So that is how you can actually use Kalodata in Brazil to start making money. And if you have any question, you can definitely let me know in the comment section. Thank you.